Hello, girlfriend. Today we're gonna play some more Birds Star Wars. So I'm gonna do some more new invasion, but I'm gonna do the dark side. I'm gonna join the dark side instead of joining the. I forgot what the other side was called. Okay, there's the dude. I forgot his name. And there's yeah, him. I forgot his name. That's his brother. Oh, he shoots missiles. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Fire the coin. Okay, we gotta get the coins. Boom. Bam! You die? Yep, they die. Yeah. First level, first try. This is so different. 3 stars. No, wait, what? No, 3 stars. Ooh, I got a present. It says I got a present. I got a present. I got a present. See, look. Ooh, no, I got the bad guys. Let's see the baddies. Okay, this is hard. Boom! And bam! Oh, poop. Epic fail. Fatality. Okay, let's think on this one. Go up. And then boom! There we go. Poop. Missing up. Let's go a little higher. Bam! And then hit the birdie. Poop. Miss it up. The birds are the bad guys now, which is weird. So the birdies, now the birds are the bad guys. Boom! Oh, poop! I missed. Oh, this level is so hard. May look easy to you guys, but to me, boom! Oh, kill him! Kill him! No. Okay, no. Okay. Up. Oh, that's nasty. No. Okay. Stuck. Win with no. Okay, boom! Precious! Eat my missile! Okay, they're dead. Okay, I'm just gonna waste this. One! Boom! Oh, kill them! Yes, they're dead. Only needed 2 birds. Pigs. No, they're not birds. They're pigs instead of birds, okay? Okay. 3 stars? Oh, poop. Oh, well, 2 stars are okay. Okay, guys, 2 is okay. The bunny and the delicious bunny and the thing. Okay, Foosh and boom, blam, squish, push, epic fail. This is gonna waste all my birds, birdie and piggies. Boom, bam, kill him. Get over there. Boom. Squish them. Bam. Bam. Yes. Thank you. I didn't waste all my birds. I only wasted 1. That's good. That's good thinking. Think like a pig. Because I am in the dark side. Join the dark side. Well, this is before he says join the dark side. Because, this is Angry Birds 2, by the way. So, you know, like, Angry Birds 2 is like, it's like the normal Star Wars, except you gone like back in time. They were like younger. No, Luke Skywalker. He's out. Luke Skywalker, I mean. He's a nerd. Okay, just you guys. Okay, boom! Okay, and then let the magnet, does it work? Oh, the magnet did not move. Okay, I gotta make the magnet move, so then it can like go down and then go, and then magnet. Okay, move. Okay, the magnet almost moved. If it like attract the birds, then yes, thank you, Mr. Magnet. Boom, bam. Okay, I like the music in this game. Burst. Okay, die. That was only 1 bird. Wow. Lucky me. Ah! Boom. Okay, that's some dead. It's only 2 dead. Oh, poop. Forgot, he wears armor. Bruh. Boring ads. Okay, no more about the ads. No more ads. Ads are lame. Boom! Come on, are you serious? There's nothing to make the magnet move. Okay, okay. I'm gonna try waste. Ooh, there is Dark Vader? What? Boom. Okay. Boom, that's one bird. That was okay, let's waste this bird. Or this pig. Pig. Boom! Okay, okay, killing him. There, death. And boom. Poop. Gotta waste all my I gotta waste all my pigs. Bam! No! Ha. Well, at least I hit the magnet. That's what I wanted. Yep. Boom! Okay, those two are dead. Bam! Nobody's dead. Oh my god, ads. Ads, are you serious? Okay. Let's skip on. Playing as guest. Yeah, I don't care about this. Whee! Okay, move the magnet, move it. Move it. Oh yes, get. Poop. We did move it, but all the metal is covering it, so then it won't attract them more. That's bad news. The good news is that we're moving the magnet a little bit. Boom. Oh god. Okay. Boosh! Bam, die birds. Okay. I came out of nowhere. RKO out of nowhere. Boom. Move it. Move the magnet. Move it. You got it. Yes. Get over here. Get over here, you birdies. Yes. No. Okay. All I have to do is just kill that bird, and then it's over. Boom. No. Ah, poop. Oh my god, I almost had it. I had it, guys, right? Yeah, you don't believe me? I had it. Man, I suck. This one was hard. Well, you begin. Okay. No. Okay, let's kill that birdie. What? How did that happen? What? This is crazy. Okay, kill that. Kill the birdies. Yes. Can you move the magnet? No. Sucks. Spoosh! I'm Boba Fett. Well, not actually Boba Fett. I'm Boba Fett's brother. In Star Wars, I forgot what was the old Star Wars called, but this was Boba Fett's brother, so this is not actually him. This is his brother, and in the story, his brother died too. Well, like all brothers have in common, they die in movies. No offense, okay, any brothers out there. Okay, finally, I passed it. Green Wolf, take it easy. It's all over. Finally. Poop 1 star. Man, oh well, you know, who cares? At least I got some coinies. Yeah. Level 5. Oh, yeah. Boom! Okay, that broke. Wait, what's happening? Okay, there's nothing. Okay, I broke the thing. Oh, wait, do we have to, like... Oh, no. Let's start again. We have to hit the bottom. Then everything comes down like a building falling down on each other. So okay, so I have to hit the little bird at the bottom. Okay, move back a little bit, Yeah, that seems good enough. And boom! Okay. That's not where I really wanted to be. Okay, let's try again. Okay, let's see here. Badoosh. And bam! Get that little birdie. Okay, let's see if we hit this. Bam! And if the pig will come down. Oh, you were close! Hope you were close. That bad pig. That pig. It's close. Anyway, sorry, Mr. Pig, but your job as a Boba Fett. Oh! Hit the TNT. Yeah, she hit the TNT. Yeah. Oh, max extreme. Okay, push the little bird. Push it. Push the bird. Push it off. Boom, hit him. Yes, I got him. I got that little birdie.
I got that little bird by using my mind.
Yeah. Yeah, 3 stars, baby. Yeah. That's what I call victory. Oh. Wow, there's a lot of levels in this. Even in the other one. Wow. Yeesh. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me playing Angry Birds Star Wars 2. And I'll see you dudes in the next video. Bye.